My name is Rick Williston. I work at Blue Water Technology Access Center at Lambton College in Sarnia. We're located in the Western Sarnia Lambton Research Park, which is across the road from the campus. We are one of 30 TACs across Canada funded by Tech Access Canada to help regional manufacturers and industry with their commercialization problems. That can take the form of applied research, consulting, or helping them with commercialization issues or exporting, things like that they need to become more competitive on the world stage. Every TAC has to have a specialty. Ours is advanced manufacturing, so we have in our lab capability for 3D printing, 3D metrology or scanning, and 3D design using software such as SolidWorks or SpaceClaim. We have an IP agreement where we can't share details about a client's project, and they own all the IP. I can't tell you specifics about the projects we work on, but right at this moment we have two projects which are polymer formulation projects where we're taking a biosourced reagent or ingredient and creating a polymer replacing a petrochemical source component and making a greener project. Or the other one is taking a recycled component that would normally wind up in the landfill and making a new polymer that can be made into products and keeping the material out of the landfill, green. We have 8 system design and instrumentation projects where we're either automating a plant or a product for a client or helping them make a new system that works for their application. We have 4 sustainability or energy efficiency projects which are either taking solar or wind or waste heat generated to produce energy and offset costs of operation. And one of the projects is in the residential market, one is in the transportation market, so a variety of industries. We have 2 process efficiency projects where we're doing lean consulting or process automation, things like that. We have 1 long-term corrosion testing where we're doing accelerated testing to find out how a coating will last in the field in 10 years and improving the coating. One thing we do a lot of is design for injection molding here. So we get clients who, they know that they want to sell their product in volume. They know that injection molding is the cheapest, but they can't afford an $8,000 to $30,000 mold. So they come to us and we design their product to be able to be injection molded, print it in our 3D printer, create a prototype, they build it up into the full and final product and qualify it and say this works great. Then we can hand the drawings, then they can go out and get their mold made. And sometimes it takes several iterations, and the rapid prototyping capability here at lower cost than buying 3 or 4 molds is very, very much appreciated. And then we also do training. We have 2 projects we're helping create highly qualified people, either by training industry people or students and helping them enter the market. We are one of 30 TACs across Canada funded by Tech Access Canada to help local and regional industries with their commercialization problems. That can take the form of commercialization assistance, applied research, consulting, or just helping them with things like exporting, whatever they need to get their product to market internationally and become more competitive. In support of that, we have access to many of the excellent research centers on the campus. We have the Lambton Energy Research Center, the Lambton Water Center, the Bio-Industrial Process Research Center, the Center for Industrial Materials Development, and the Information Technology Research Center. They all are helpful on various projects. Basically, we can take a concept and turn it into a prototype, a design, a process development issue. We can make it into a real product, do failure analysis or reliability engineering of the product and help it get to market quicker.